Luckily, by just learning these 15 essential phrases, you'll be able to order amazing food, find the bathroom, and maybe the love of your life, even if you already have a partner. It doesn't matter, you are on holiday. Come on! Let's start with the word you'll use more than any other. Ciao! Let's start with the basic. Hello. You'll hear ciao everywhere. It's casual, warm, and perfect for friends or friendly strangers. But if you are walking into a shop or talking to someone older, try salve instead. It's polite, but not stiff. Of course, every hello eventually needs a proper goodbye. So, number 2, arrivederci. When you are done with your cappuccino, don't just walk out. Say arrivederci. They go to goodbye in Italy. It's a small thing, but locals love it. Now, if there is one word that will instantly make Italians warm to you, it's this next one. Number 3, grazie or grazie mille. This one is essential. Whether it's your gelato, your train ticket, or someone giving you directions, always say grazie. Feeling extra thankful, say grazie mille, literally 1,000 thanks. Lots of beginner learners overcomplicate things. Sometimes all you need is to keep it simple. So sometimes all you need is a quick yes or no. So number 4, sì, no, short and sweet. Sì means yes, no means no. Italians are expressive, so don't be afraid to nod, smile, even use your hands. But if you need to politely get someone's attention or squeeze through a crowd, number 5, mi scusi, permesso. These are your polite power moves. Use mi scusi to get someone's attention, like tapping a stranger on the shoulder. I wouldn't necessarily do that, but you can use permesso when you are trying to get through a crowd or a tight space. Now, let's get practical. You see something you love at the market, but there is no price tag. Number 6. Quanto costa questo? Shopping time. Point to something you like and ask, quanto costa questo? How much is this? Speaking of markets, what if you don't even know how to get there? Number 7. Come si arriva a? This one is your Google Maps backup, okay? So, come si arriva a means how do you get to? Just plug in your destination al museo, alla stazione, al Colosseo, and while you are out and about, let's be real, sooner or later you'll need this one. Number 8. Dov'è il bagno? Arguably the most important phrase in any language, because when you are doing a pee-pee dance while asking for this won't go down as one of your greatest moments, trust me. Where is the bathroom? Dov'è il bagno? Okay, you have handled the essentials. Time to order something like a local. Number 9. Vorrei. This is how to sound super polite when ordering. Vorrei means I would like. Use it to ask for coffee, foods, tickets, anything. And if you are enjoying a drink and sharing a meal, this next one will come in handy. Number 10. Salute. Cheers. You'll hear salute when clinking glasses or even after someone sneezes. Salute. Now, let's say you are totally lost and Italian isn't cutting it. Number 11. Parla inglese. This one can be a lifesaver. Parla inglese. Do you speak English? Always say it with a smile and a kind tone. But hey, even when you are lost, there is always time for a gelato. Number 12. Un gelato, per favore. You are in Italy, you are getting gelato. Let's do it right. Un gelato, per favore. One gelato, please. And if you are traveling with someone, this next phrase lets you order for them like a pro. Number 13. Lui, lei, vorrebbe. Lui, lei, vorrebbe. Ordering for a friend? This is perfect. Lui vorrebbe, he would like. Lei vorrebbe, she would like. Alright, everything's going smoothly until stops working. This next one can save your day. Number 14. Non funziona. Non funziona. Non funziona. It's not working. Whether it's the hotel Wi-Fi, the vending machine, or the air conditioning in your rental car, this phrase is gold. You'll use it more than you expect. And if nothing else works, your phone is dead, you are lost, and you are about to cry, this is the one phrase that can truly save you. Number 15. Mi può aiutare? Mi può aiutare? Can you help me? This phrase is your safety net. Whether you are lost, confused, or need directions, this one opens doors and conversations. Use it with a kind tone and maybe a desperate face. It works wonders. Now, this is your survival kit. Which phrase did you find useful? Leave a comment below, and before you go to Italy, watch this video next. You won't regret it. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!